How to fix YouTube Music Premium not working. First, you want to simply open the YouTube Music application and you want to simply confirm that you're signed in with the Google account that has your premium subscriptions. You can simply tap on your profile over here at the top right of your screen and you'll be able to see your username over here and your account's information. There you'll be able to confirm that if you are logged in with a Google account that has your premium subscription or not. And if you are logged in with the account but you are not able to use your premium features, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on this back button over here to come back to your home page and tap on this upgrade option over here. It might be that your premium subscription has been expired and you'd be able to revive your premium over here. You can simply tap on any of the payment methods over here and you'll be able to purchase your premium membership again. And once you renew your membership, you'll be able to use the YouTube Music Premium features again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll see you guys on the next one.